if she falls in?
I'm going in after her too. We're all going in after you. We're walking back together.
Nobody is leaving this rafting alive.
On my helmet.
I'm so excited. Are you filming right now?
Yeah. Our pledge to follow you into the water.
We have to survive 6 waterfalls to make it to the one.
Life jacket is going to be able to take off, but you can unhook them. Buckles.
Is there any? And the classic is awesome. They're both amazing. Well, I like them. Are they? Is there any spots where it does like calm down for a bit? Yeah. So it's not like. Okay, classic.
Look at Tom's eyes. He has to shield them with glasses now. You can't look into his eyes anymore.
Classic. It's your stop. We're gonna stop. Let the guys get off first, and then you're gonna jump off of the. Yeah. I'm so pumped.
Have fun, guys. Have a good time.
Thank you.
Are they working it up a bit with the? Yeah, because I think they want people to get. Depends on the level. She could have come at low water. Right. Fair. Take off what they want. It is a little scared to drop out now versus like once you start. Okay. More shit. So this is exciting. More freedom to move, you know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Front 2 positions.
Okay.
And then the other 2 just
The front is more stable than the back, right?
yeah.
The front?
Front's good.
I'm just a little nervous. I'm just a little bit nervous.
Be like near the front here.
He's extra
Yeah.
nervous, so she should be in the front. Go to the front. Yeah.
Okay.
Use
We
that
can
muscle.
switch around later too.
Yeah.
I'll go back with you, Alex.
Sure.
Tash, you good front row?
The heavy's in the back.
Tash, you want front row, right?
She needs front row. She paid for front row. I told you I needed a left-handed paddle. I need to be on left-handed. Yeah, cool.
Just behind. So just sit on the outside there. Yep, perfect.
All right.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your front foot underneath the tube, and then your other foot in there.
Solid. All right.
Be undone here? This plug?
that?
Is this plug supposed to be undone?
Oh, that's all. Just sit on the outside too, so like on the blue part. Yeah.
This is just like the time we used to ride the bull at the bicycle on a bicycle. Walk into a bar. If we're ever feeling nervous, you want to turn that up a little bit or what? I said a boom, chicka boom! You're supposed to repeat.
Hey, do it again. Do it again.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
Boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
Boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
I said, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Where are you?
Your morale's low.
Yeah, you're the one that wanted it pumped up. Come on.
I'm taking it in. I'm taking it all in. We're gonna hit it. And we're going right or left.
It's my second seat riding, but I'm cautious, so 10 years old.
Oh, right on.
All the way up off the blue and move all the way over to the other side. I call move
Okay.
right. Everybody move right. All the way. Make room.
What's that, Tash?
It's not a competition. We win. We're winning. Who was a better rafter? Not a competition. No. The level of fun.
Level of fun.
In the cup.
We cranked up.
Well,
in
they
this
don't
one.
have a cheers, so.
No.
Boom, chicken like all in the back. Deep hard, but they jump a little bit. Oh, tight. We've known each other since we were 10. FYI. Are you a reservist?
Right on.
forward.
Make sure you check each other out.
I'm matching Andrea.
Stop.
Stop. And we're in it. Here we go.
And left back, right side goes forward, good, and stop, and right back, left goes forward, good, and stop.
Woo! Wrong hand, I should take that. A 3-hour tour! What campsite? What is that campsite?
This is a campsite.
No.
Oh, it's not?
It's a little,
Yeah.
Look at this
little day spot.
environment that we're hanging out in together.
It's gorgeous.
It's a bonding time. This is flat. This is
And
brand
back paddle, everyone back paddle. And stop.
This is like tubing down the, what was it, Punledge? Yeah. I love that one. I think I've done that every time we've come over there.
And forward. Stop.
Cute little splash.
I feel like we're on the Jungle Cruise. Love Bro, do you have any like Jungle Cruise jokes? Like, see that rock over there? I don't know. Well, I set him in zigzag.
And forward. Stop. Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop.
Great pace, Andrea.
And forward. And stop.
No lily dipping in this boat.
I feel like that's gonna be like a curse word for us now with something being a little bit.
Lily dip.
Wow, you're a little bit.
Like a lily dip.
Yeah, you're a little bit.
Forward.
Like, that's insane. I can feel it in my
Going forward, forward. And left back, left back. And forward again. And stop. All right, how we doing so far?
Fantastic.
Back paddle. Stop.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll yell it.
I want a nice splash in the face here soon. I'm hot. It's hot.
Flash?
It's hot. Oh, there we go.
So she's deaf in one ear, so I'll re-yell it.
All right.
A little bit. Hearing loss. Is it from a bog, Natasha? Tell me it was from a bog. At least make it cool. Was it from a bog? C4 from a bog. Yeah.
C4?
Was C4? Oh fuck! I was joking.
That's rad.
That's hardcore. Yeah, you're hardcore, Natasha. You're hardcore. You're like my hero. We salute you.
We do.
And
Like
forward.
forward.
I'm gonna love it that you repeat everything. That's gonna be rad. Whoa! Here we go. Here we go. Woo, fucker.
And right back.
Right back.
Never mind, left back.
Left back. I'm gonna push it.
I can feel it.
Forward, everyone.
Forward.
We need a hop.
Go. Paddle harder.
Harder. We're stuck.
There we go.
Thank you, Love Row.
Stinky rock.
High five for Love Row.
Yeah. High five.
Thanks, buddy.
I know to paddle when I don't have to. I'm taking initiative. I don't. Yeah, let someone else take the lead on this dance, you guys.
Oh, this is good. This is good. There we go.
Here we go!
Woo!
The flag there? Am I taking all the flags?
No, it's great.
It's gonna be great footage.
And forward.
Forward!
And stop.
Stop!
Beautiful.
Left back.
Left back!
Stop.
Stop!
Love it, Alex. Love it.
I feel like I respond to that.
Yeah.
You are actually.
Chain of command.
Forward.
Forward. Do you need it in here?
Left back.
Keep going, Andrea.
And forward again.
Off.
Stop.
Woo. Oh, got right in the face there. That was great. Oh, I know where we are here. Jen! Ah. Woo. Keep going.
And stop.
Stop! Good job,
Oh,
everyone.
back paddle.
Back paddle.
And stop.
We can move this thing around pretty good though. It goes fast.
Forward.
Forward!
Right back.
Right back!
Stop. And forward. Stop.
Ah. Big shot.
Left back, left back.
Left back.
And forward, everyone forward hard. Forward hard. Stop. Left back.
Left back.
And forward.
Forward.
Stop.
Oh, here we go.
Forward.
Forward.
And stop. All right, the big rapids are coming.
Woo!
About 200 meters. All right, high five, everyone. Let's go.
Yeah! Try and get a bite. 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 Get a
Where'd
kick
that
a
come
bite.
from?
Back paddle. A little stronger. And stop.
Missed it.
Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop.
Whoa! Gonna be a good bump. Gonna be a good bump. Here we go.
And forward hard. Forward hard. And keep going hard, hard, hard. And stop.
Yeah!
I don't want
And forward.
I was like, I'll do it. I'll do it for you.
And stop. Awesome. That's cocaine. Gun barrel's coming up next.
Nice, that was good.
Yeah, right up the nose.
Forward.
Here we go.
And stop. Forward. Left back. Left back. And forward hard. Forward hard. And stop. Here we go. And forward. Keep going, dig in, dig in. Up. Perfect.
Hey!
Boom, boom.
Awesome,
We shot that
yeah.
in.
Woo!
Back to do something.
Yeah.
We'll make our amazing race after all.
Whoa! Too much cheering, not enough paying attention.
Not enough steering. Not too much cheering, not enough steering.
Yeah.
Steering though.
There you
And
go.
forward.
Forward. those
Hey,
were
look.
the bigger ones. No, I know. Those were the bigger ones. Yeah. Aren't you glad we didn't go down the baby ride? Woo! No, I want to leave your cage. Black horse,
It was like a Yakuza meeting somewhere in the forest, like a gangster.
Take off all your clothes so we know you're not wired.
Yeah.
Did you see the Yakuza tribe? Cocaine was up there, guys.
Yeah.
The cocaine was up there.
Yakuza tribe.
Alright, let's go forward. Nice and easy. Next rapid is toilet bowl.
Nice.
Hey.
What? What a waste.
Toilet bowl.
Uh-oh. Get stuck? These puns are a flush.
And stop.
It's gonna be smooth like porcelain.
Come on now.
Forward again. Forward. Stop. Right back. And forward. Forward. And stop.
Right on.
And forward paddle.
Oh, look at that little fishing spot. Gotta mark these on GPS. How are we?
Jesse, you don't ever look back with your camera?
What do you mean?
Maybe like your camera should go that way.
I don't know if I'm gonna adjust it right now. I guess I can put my helmet on backwards.
No, you just go because
Yeah. Here, I'll look back.
And forward.
forward!
There.
Stop. Forward. Stop.
Who's gonna splash you? Make a face.
That one knocked me off a little.
Left back.
Oh.
Forward. Stop. Forward. And stop. And left back. Left back. And everybody forward. Stop.
Stop.
Get down.
Down.
Awesome. Back up, guys.
This is what we've been training for. How was it? Was I not even like
Oh, I did great.
I don't know. I was like, oh shit.
And forward. Stop.
Woo!
Yeah. Money shot right there. Woo.
And back paddle. Back paddle. Stop.
Woo!
Forward.
Oh. You know, writing a song on the way down.
We've already jailed this guys.
And back saddle, back saddle. Keep going. And stop. Perfect. Forward. Stop. Right back.
Right back.
And stop. And forward. Everyone forward. Stop. And back paddle. Everyone back paddle. Nice and strong. Nice and strong. Keep going, keep going, back paddle, strong, strong, strong. Let's go, dig, 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 dig. Good, stop.
Go over the pass.
And forward. Stop, hold on. Right back, right back. And forward hard, forward hard.
Forward hard.
Stop, stop. Back paddle, back paddle. Hard, 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 hard. Stop, hold on. Hold on. And forward. And stop.
I can hear something.
Forward.
I appreciate you.
Stop.
Stop.
How's everyone's heart rate? Kicking good.
Didn't even need to take my Adderall today.
Forward.
Forward.
Stop. Back paddle, back
Back
paddle.
paddle.
Stop. And forward hard, forward hard. Right back, right back, right back. Forward hard, forward hard. Hard, 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 hard.
Whoa!
Back
Very
paddle,
good.
back paddle. Nice. Excellent.
Whoa!
Did you bounce?
That one got hairy. That was good. You and I both came down, Alex.
I know what was going on.
I knew what I was doing.
What are we doing, sir?
We're going forward.
Whoa!
And stop. Left back, left back. Forward hard, forward hard. And stop. Right back, right
There we
back.
go.
And forward. We're going forward.
Left forward.
Avery, can you grab that paddle? And stop.
Did you pick up two already?
What's that?
You picked up two already?
Oh, there's just one there.
Oh, yeah.
No, we always carry two spares.
Let's see.
Back paddle, back paddle. And stop. High five, guys. Great.
Ah, that was the
Yeah.
hairiest part so far. That was great. I came off and you came off right after.
Oh, yeah. Am I leaving you back too far?
No.
You just need to be more on the blue. Yeah.
It's the long bodies. We end up like out here sometimes.
Yeah, you're almost out.
Yeah.
Does it have no weight on here? So it pops up? Is that better? Okay. Yeah. But
Yeah,
this
both
is-
of us were kind of doing that though.
You were both on here.
Well, I had to turn my
She was all here.
Yeah.
I think I can kind of my gravity.
Yeah, I was like, this foot was out and this foot was in. And I was like,
Do you
I
want
was
to switch
right there.
sides? No.
That would have sucked.
switch that. We're doing good.
Okay. We can't switch things up.
No.
Are we the cleanup crew?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So we pick up the stragglers?
We got all the first aid stuff.
Yeah, that's right. You got the right people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Healthcare.
We're doing good. Oh, you guys are in healthcare?
Army.
I work for the school district, but I'm in healthcare EA.
Sorry?
I work for the school district, but I'm in healthcare.
Oh, okay.
At the school district.
Okay.
She's where are you now?
Well, I'm a military paramedic.
She's a military paramedic.
Wow, awesome.
I'm a boom operator on a TV show. On a hit TV show.
She's a big deal.
What show?
Oh, Riverdale.
Oh.
In the Flash, you're on the Flash,
Yeah,
right?
but
Are you giving out autographs today?
not
Autographs, yeah.
I want to go swimming so bad now.
Yeah.
That was
I mean, it is an option.
Almost did.
I came the closest. I got my butt on the outside of the pontoon.
I saw
yeah.
the corner of
No, I didn't. I just had my foot stuck in here.
You just have such like,
Hung on.
you
And
just
then
like,
I rolled to the inside. Got down on my ass in the inside.
So those were the most challenging rapids that we just did.
These ones here?
Yeah.
Some of them, like that's a class 4.
Yeah.
Cocaine and gun barrel are a class 4 as well.
That's cool.
But there's some more to talk for sure.
It's big and narrow.
Are we like halfway down?
Yeah, I'd say we're like halfway down the canyon section.
Okay, and then you go
we're gonna
into
do about half of the classic as
Right.
well.
I just feel like I want a little lottery.
Usually, like we stop here and we do the cliff jump.
Yeah.
But it's a little too high to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is it here where the jump is, right?
Yeah, we jumped from like right there.
Yeah.
No jumping today.
No jumping.
Yeah, because usually it's pretty mellow through here, isn't it?
Yeah, like the water isn't, like usually when we do the jump, the water isn't so strong.
Pretty
So like late
glassy.
August would be a good.
Yeah.
Are you just the weekend guy, or do you do it all?
No, I'm full time.
Oh, okay.
The afternoon.
Be on the afternoon shift.
Are we up higher than Celeste right now?
Celeste Creek?
Yeah,
No,
we went past it.
So Celeste Creek comes in just above where the classic starts.
Okay.
So,
Right,
where this section usually finishes,
Yeah.
that's where the Celeste Creek feeds into the Chilliwack.
Okay.
Do you know if we were to drive, like where on the road we would park to get to the waterfall, that we would see all the classic? Like, do you know if there's a spot on the road?
You can't get to it unless you swim across or like wade
Yeah.
across.
Oh, okay.
So you can do it like, so Thurston Meadows is right across from the waterfall.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Thurston Meadows,
So if you
okay.
stopped at Thurston Meadows,
Yeah.
and like if the water was low enough that you could like wade
Swim
across
across,
or
yeah.
even swim across if you're,
That's where it is.
you could do it. But
Yeah.
You could take the kayak across.
yeah, you can take a kayak. That's nice.
I'm pretty okay with this.
Okay, good.
This
Choice.
option. Yeah.
It's exhilarating.
Yeah. Yeah. I like it.
You guys are you're getting big shots, eh?
I've had like
Have you got a bunch? I just
yeah,
can't see them.
right down. He went right in, right down the back.
You're blocking them from me.
You're not. You're
Are you
welcome.
guys from Chilliwack or
We live in Chilliwack.
Yeah.
We're from the island.
the island?
Yeah.
Cobox in Victoria.
Sorry, where?
So she's in Cobox, I'm in Victoria.
So we had like in Port Meade, Comox, we have the Sunlit River that we tube down. It's nothing like this, but there is like
There's higher.
there is a section where it's pretty. You're going down in a
Like
tube.
kayak.
Yeah, there's a lot of whitewater kayaking on the island.
Yeah, is there?
Yeah.
So it's pretty fun on a tube. Drink some drinks down. It's just like it's not like a lazy river. Yeah,
No.
you definitely go in.
Is like the place to go to.
Deep in the home, BC chuckle. You will hear our bicycle rumble. Can't say native anymore, can you? No. I don't know what I can and can't. Oh, we're moving, Jesse.
Yeah.
I don't think they took. I don't think they took it. I like. They did. Why? I don't know. You're not.
So in Africa, you say there's a
No, you can say tribe. You're a tribe.
No, you can't say that we're a tribe because we're white
We're
people.
not a tribe.
Come on.
I say it all the time.
yeah, look how deep it is here, right?
Stop.
Great for jumping if it's steep.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Like that looks so like little from the mist.
Oh,
like,
look at
so
that.
magical.
You see the dust from the road.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
amazing.
Let's pretend it's mist.
Yes, it's mist. Morning mist. Beautiful.
All right, and back paddle.
Is there court?
Little rock hound. Yeah.
And stop.
Look at
Did you
that.
just call me a rock hound?
Rock hound. You just can't do that.
This
That's
is
crazy
a solid
shit.
jump.
I was mining
it's
quartz on
Waterstone.
On what?
on Shack Island.
Were you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you find any nuggets?
Yeah, we brought him home.
Yeah,
my
right
dad,
on.
my dad's seen him.
Fuck yeah.
We're gonna polish him up.
Did you get a vacuum? What? There's gold in them?
Paddle.
Oh.
Oh, court.
Yeah, quartz. I
Hey
thought
guys, get back into it.
we're in. We're just talking rocks. Talking rocks. Rock talk.
Forward. And stop. Right back. Forward. And stop. And forward. Stop. Forward. And stop. So that little rapid was called Bob, or battery operated boyfriend. And then the next one is Godzilla.
Oh, can we go?
Forward. Stop.
Here comes Godzilla.
Forward. And stop. And forward. Stop.
Woo!
And forward hard. Forward hard. And stop. And back paddle. Whoop. Stop. And forward. And
Lovely.
stop.
No, it's all good. Perfect.
Condom.
You were in the safety position.
Yeah.
Forward. Stop. Forward. Go a little harder, Dick.
Sorry.
And stop. Awesome.
Oh, we moved it good, ladies. That was great. What a good fucking crew.
And back paddle. Left back. Stop.
Oh. Whoa.
And forward. Stop.
Beautiful. I can't believe we haven't seen any fishermen. acre on the way out when you're in Abbotsford, and then the one that's right above Chilliwack is Chiam Mountain.
We explored a couple years ago on Thanksgiving. We thought it was like a 2-hour hike.
Oh yeah, that was a long one.
Yeah, it was.
That was like a 6-hour hike. It was nice though. There we go.
And forward.
Busy on our beach.
Our beach is busy.
Say hi, ladies. You're on video.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hello. We just went down the river. It was so good. So good.
It's not good.
I want a photo with a camera. Can you bring it like a phone?
A what?
Phone picture?
Oh, it'll be fine.
That's safe.
Oh, I'll take a photo.
We need the music closer though.
Where's your phone?
It's the green thing.
Pretty cozy there. You got a nice spot there.
That's classic.